Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. If you are new to my channel, I normally just kind of do a little bit of talking. I'll get straight into the video. But today I want to start doing something new. This past week I only got one video up. I'm sick again, and I was kind of in a weird, funky mood, just kind of down. So in each of my videos, when I do my intro, I want to tell you guys something that I'm grateful for. Whether it's something super small, big, whatever it may be, I just want to do that. I think gratitude can be really great and it can uplift everyone. So I hope you guys will start joining me in this. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me something that you're grateful for today. So today, I am just super grateful that we are finally getting into spring and warm weather. I am so much happier when the weather is warm. I honestly enjoy being outside and just feeling the sun. Like, we go fishing a lot, things like that. So I really love being outdoors, being outside, just warm weather in general. So hopefully we are over the cold and we are getting into spring, and I just really am grateful for that. But yeah, so today we are doing a review and tutorial with the McGrath Ecstasy kit. It comes with a 6-pan palette, mini mascara, and a loose glitter. This is in Angel Dust. So if you guys want to know how I feel about this kit and how to get this look, then let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna go straight in with really the only matte shade besides the black. And it's this guy right here, which I think is too dark for a transition shade. They're missing that in this palette. You've got a medium to dark reddish brown and a black. And those are your only mattes. So I've got a NYX number 16 fluffy brush here. And we're gonna start by putting this into our crease and blending it up. I literally dipped in one time. These shadows are insanely pigmented, I will say that. And they blend beautifully, but I wish it had more mattes. That's one really big concern for me. I just really wish there were more mattes in here. For me to build a look, I need mattes, but we are gonna make this work. So I'm just pretty well going from inner corner to outer edge here, and then just blending kind of back and forth in small motions. So just kind of quick, fast back and forth motions. Now I'm going to grab another brush. This is actually from a Profusion palette. One small dip in there, and we're going to darken this up in the actual crease. Just doing the same thing, but you can see the pigment from here to here. It's really different depending on the brush that you used. So where we only have one kind of building matte shade, we're gonna try to make it look like more than one shade. Now we are going to go in with this shimmer right here on the finger, and the shimmers again are great, but the drugstore makes a lot of great shimmers. I mean, they're killing it right now anyway. They make a ton of great mattes as well, but shimmers to me aren't a big deal because I know I can get really beautiful shimmers anywhere. Mattes are much harder, I think, to find, like really good, buttery, pigmented, blendable mattes. So with this palette, I of course knew that the shimmers were gonna be good, and these mattes are really great too. It's just the selection, that's it. All right, now we're gonna go in with the purple here. And the purple feels even better. It's just softer and more pigmented, I think, and just it's really beautiful. Put that right over top, but we're gonna keep it on our outer half. And now in this kit, there was a loose pigment, so we're trying that today as well. Today was the first time that I used this. I've used the other products, but I've never used the loose pigment. And there is what it looks like. It's just, it looks kind, oh shoot, thought I lost it. Whew. It looks kind of just like a chunky gold color, but it's definitely chunky. It's not a super fine pigment. I'm gonna wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. And of course, this is a loose glitter, so it is going to have fallout. But I got some in the cap, and I'm just pushing my brush into the cap. And this kind of turns it into a pigment when you wet it. And then we're just going to press this onto our lid. And on the lid, and we're gonna get fallout, so that is true. But on the lid, it kind of looks like a pinky color. It's probably where I laid down this shade first. So over top, that's what we're getting. But you can see I've got quite a bit of fallout right here. I've already wiped this side off and I've still got a ton of fallout. And now I'm going to try to clean up the fallout. And it's like, it does get quite a bit of it, but it still leaves some on the face. So that is as good as we're gonna get it for the fallout. It just doesn't want to pick up all of it. And again, I am so sorry that my voice is off. I am, of course, sick again. So hopefully we're gonna start getting better. I have a headache, but we are getting these videos out. I am determined. We are doing it. So please just disregard how I look like shit and I feel like shit. So thank you guys for bearing with me. But I'm going to go ahead and start another video with this Tarte Found Sealer and finish up the face, and then we will be back. Okay guys, so I did the lower lash line. All I did was I put a little bit of our matte brown and I put the purple, the shimmer purple, kind of up top there, and that's it. So I want to show you guys this mascara. I have been wearing this without falsies when I just do kind of minimal makeup. I kind of still do a full face-ish, but I don't do anything with my eyes. But this mascara is special. This is the best thing out of the whole kit in my opinion, but watch this. You probably won't be able to see it as well where I have so much eye makeup on, but no joke you guys, this mascara has replaced all of my other mascaras. And it is seriously beautiful, like beautiful. Like this blows better than sex out of the water. It cosmetics. And my favorite was the Lancome Monsieur Big. And it has even replaced that. Like I always wear falsies, even on days where I have minimal makeup on. And for me to not wear falsies is a really big deal. And this guy can do that. Like this is just one coat. Look at this compared to this. It is so good. So I'm going to throw some mascara on the other eye, throw some falsies on probably, and a lip, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so everything is done. This is our finished look. I really like the way that it looks, but I don't think this is worth $50 at all. So you get this little 6-color palette, this glitter, which I don't think it's really different or better than any other glitter. And like I said, the mascara, I'm going to get the full size in this because I love this mascara. But what I will say is it's really heavily fragranced. Not that it's fragranced, but the smell in it. You know when a mascara starts to smell like it's bad? Like it kind of has that really stout, bad smell. That's what this smells like, but apparently that is what it smells like all the time. Sorry. So just be aware of that. It does linger. I can smell it for several hours after I apply it, but it is worth it because this mascara is amazing. But like I said, this, I think the quality is there. It's just, to me, I like more mattes in my palettes. If you want more metallic or shimmer shades, get this. It's a good palette. But to me, I don't think it is worth the money. And given Pat McGrath, it is really kind of editorial, really avant-garde looks. Like, that's just what she does. And for me, that's not really practical for everyday looks. Like, I would wear this as an everyday look. You guys know I don't mind having a full-on eye look, but I need more mattes to do it with. So let me know if you guys have this kit, if you like it, if you recommend any other Pat McGrath palettes. Let me know, because I'm not completely against the brand or trying more. It's just this palette itself, it's not for me. And it's not really catered towards me because I like more mattes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.